Continuing with our team coverage this afternoon on this First Alert Weather Day, our Valley News team's Kirsty Madej is live on Highway 10 between Dilworth and Glendon with the latest on current conditions. Kirsty, how's it going out there?
Hey Tatum, it is a bit chilly out here. The winds are gusting, making it a lot colder, and that visibility is difficult. So when you are driving today, if you have to drive, make sure that you have your lights manually turned on so people can see you. We have seen some people drive with their flashers on. And as you can see, we are in a blizzard warning, and that's going to be in effect until 6 p.m. So even though snow isn't falling, there are large drifts across the road, and it is blowing quite a bit. So be careful out there. We've got some gusting winds, low visibility. There are drifts that are coming across the road in some parts, so make sure you're careful when you're driving, especially around intersections. Just slow down a little bit today, and if you don't have to drive, stay at home. Reporting outside of Dilworth, Kirsty Madej, Valley News Live.
Thank you, Kirsty. I hope you get to warm up soon.